नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Meteorology. Today we will discuss about the direction cosines of a line and direction ratio of a line and some questions related to the direction ratio and the direction cosines. Let a given line AB makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with positive direction of x, y, z axis, then their cosine is called direction cosines of that line. That is, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines of line. Generally, direction cosines are written as d dot c apostrophe s, and it is also written as L N N. It means L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles of the positive direction of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Now, direction ratio of a line. If a direction cosines L M N of a given line be proportional to any three numbers a, b, c respectively, then these numbers a, b, c are called direction ratio. Direction ratio can be written as dr'(s). Now, relation between direction cosines and direction ratio. Let a, b, c be the direction ratio of a line whose direction cosines are L, M, N. Then, by definition of direction ratio, L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to K, where K is the supposing quantity. So, L is equal to AK, M is equal to BK, and N is equal to CK. This is equation first. Now, squaring and adding, then it will be L square plus M square plus N square is equal to K square in bracket A square plus B square plus C square. But L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. This is 1 is equal to K square in bracket A square plus B square plus C square. Then K is equal to plus minus 1 upon root A square plus B square plus C square. Then from equation first, L is equal to plus minus A upon root A square plus B square plus C square, and M is equal to plus minus B upon root A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equal to plus minus C upon root A square plus B square plus C square. Now, relation between the direction cosines, or in exam this question can also be asked like as: prove that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, or cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, or prove that sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. Now, proof. Let AB is the given line. We draw parallel line OP which makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively. Now, taking the coordinate of P is x, y, z, and O is the center whose coordinates are 0, 0, 0. Then OP is equal to root x minus 0 to the whole square plus y minus 0 to the whole square plus z minus 0 to the whole square. That is, OP is equal to root x square plus y square plus z square. Now, taking triangle PMO, here PMO cos alpha, we calculate cos alpha, then cos alpha is equal to x upon OP is equal to x upon root x square plus y square plus z square. This is equation A. Similarly, we can write cos beta is equal to y upon root x square plus y square plus z square. This is equation B. And cos gamma is equal to z upon root x square plus y square plus z square. This is equation C. Now squaring and adding equations a, b and c. This is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to x square upon x square plus y square plus z square plus y square upon x square plus y square plus z square plus z square upon x square plus y square plus z square. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to x square plus y square plus z square upon x square plus y square plus z square. This is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. If we change in the sign, since cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 1, then solve and find sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2, hence proved. Now we will talk over angle between the two lines. Let theta be the angle between the two lines whose direction cosines are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Then cos theta is equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. For the remark first, if both lines are parallel, then L1 is equal to L2, M1 is equal to M2 and N1 is equal to N2. For second, if both lines are perpendicular, then L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. Now, angle between the two lines in terms of direction ratio, it means it is given that two lines whose direction ratios are known, then how we calculate the theta. For calculating the theta, we can use the formula cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. For remark, if both lines are perpendicular, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Second, if both lines are parallel, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now a question: find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point capital A 103 to the join of the point B 471 and C 353. For the solution, let A, B and C are the coordinates are 103 and 471 and 353 respectively. We see the graph. A, B, C and A is the top and P is the foot of the A, and we have to calculate the coordinate of P. So let AP divides the line BC in the ratio of lambda ratio 1. Then the coordinate of P can be written as 3 lambda plus 4 upon lambda plus 1, 5 lambda plus 7 upon lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1. This is equation first. Then direction ratio of AP is equal to 3 lambda plus 4 upon lambda plus 1 minus 1, comma 5 lambda plus 7 upon lambda plus 1 minus 0 and 3 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1 minus 3. Or this can be written as the direction ratios of AP are 2 lambda plus 3 upon lambda plus 1, comma 5 lambda plus 7 upon lambda plus 1 and minus 2 upon lambda plus 1. And direction ratios of BC are 3 minus 4, comma 5 minus 7, comma 3 minus 1, that is 1, comma 2, comma minus 2. But AP is perpendicular to BC, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Now put the value of A1 A2 A3. We suppose A1 A2 A3 are the direction ratios of A2 AP and A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratio of BC. So put and solve, we get lambda is equal to minus 7 by 4. Putting these values of lambda in equation first, we get 5 by 3, 7 by 3 and 17 by 3. These are the coordinates of put P. Now there is a remark. There are the formula written in the remark form which is used in this question. If A and B are the 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 makes a line whose coordinates are the endpoints x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, then the direction ratio of AB is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and direction cosines of AB is equal to x2 minus x1 upon r, y2 minus y1 upon r, z2 minus z1 upon r, where r is the distance of AB. Thank you.